Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
It's kind of late in the year for Fat Tuesday. Hey, you've got about 45 minutes left of that before we're into Ash Wednesday and the Lenten season and time for your fast. So better eat up while you can. All right, let's check out that forecast tonight. We're going to look at temperatures dropping off through the 40s here, down to 40 at 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're expecting the sky to clear out a little bit over the next few hours. And that should allow those temperatures to drop off into the 30s, maybe even some upper 20s in the northern part of our viewing area. And then tomorrow at 8 o'clock, 36, mostly sunny. We get back to partly cloudy skies during the day, maybe even trending toward mostly cloudy conditions by late afternoon, and 57 degrees at 5 p.m. Well, we should make it into the upper 50s tomorrow, maybe not quite as warm as the numbers we had today, although if we get enough sunshine, could happen again. A chilly night on the way with clear to partly cloudy skies and low temperatures dropping mostly into the 30s, and then still mild on Wednesday, a little bit colder Thursday, and then we warm it right back up. As a matter of fact, Saturday, there's even at least right now, a low chance we might hit 70 degrees. We'll see how that plays out over the next couple of days. And then we're back to some rainy weather on Sunday. Speaking of which, we had a lot of rainfall back in February, over 5.5 inches, 3 inches above average. The average temperature was 32 degrees, and that was 0.8 of a degree below average for the month. Snowfall at 8.2 on the plus side of 1.6, and 62 our high temperature on the 21st, and 5 degrees was the coldest back on the 5th. That rainfall total, 6th place in the ranks of February monthly rainfall totals, 1909 in first position there, almost 7 inches of what was probably rain and melted snow. And you can see 2019 showing up there, 2018, 2022. So 3 of the top 6 there have occurred in just the past 5 years for us. So it's been a pretty wet time frame there, and temperatures over the next 12 hours are going to be dropping on down here toward the 30s, down to about 34 degrees at 7 a.m. and then into the upper 40s at 11 o'clock in the morning. And temperatures for tomorrow afternoon should make it into the mid to upper 50s, maybe 59 in Springfield, 58 in Dayton, and then some low 60s to the south. And then look at the colder air on Thursday with high temperatures only in the low to mid 30s way up north and the upper 30s to near 40s south. Time lapse tonight, Goodwill Auto Auction camera, dry weather out there in downtown Dayton. The winds have been dropping off a little bit but shifting to the north. No rain tonight, and you can see those clouds starting to thin out to the northwest of us. So we'll get back to more breaks in the clouds tonight. And then finally some of that precipitation developing in the northern plain states. That'll drop southeast into the area tomorrow night with a slight chance of showers. We're at 48, north wind at 10. Wind chill factor tonight, 35 degrees. Here's your forecast. Overnight clearing skies down to 33. Won't last for long, maybe a little bit of sunshine, mostly sunny early, but otherwise partly cloudy, upper 50s in the afternoon. 9 o'clock, 39 with 50 at noon. Then we're in the mid to upper 50s later in the day. And on Thursday, colder. That slight chance of overnight precipitation Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning of a rain shower, maybe a few flakes of snow, only 40. Down into the 20s Friday morning with a high of 50. Then windy and mild Saturday, upper 60s, maybe 70. And then rain likely on Sunday and Monday with cooler weather early next week.